CELPIP speaking tips. A lot of students ask us about, can you share some tips for CELPIP speaking? So this video specifically I'm making to share those tips. Firstly, please understand that if you want to clear any English proficiency test, 60% of the results depend on you knowing the pattern of the test, and 40% obviously on your English ability to clear those tasks which come in a particular test. And that's similar across all tests of English. Now in CELPIP, one thing is for sure, there are more number of tasks, like there are 8 tasks in speaking, but obviously it checks your practical way of speaking, your natural ability of speaking. And if you want to talk about tips, then one thing is for sure, you can use a sort of template based approach in some tasks. For example, you can use basic structures like firstly, secondly, finally. That way your answer sounds more structured and the evaluator gets confidence that you know how to use connectors at the beginning of these sentences to make a coherent answer. There is another task in which you are supposed to share your experience. So in that task, you can use template structures or sentences like, what I can share from my experience is, or something valuable which I learned from my experience which I would like to share is, one of the salient features or one of the salient aspects which I would like to share from my experiences. So that way you are giving very strong vocabulary in your answer you're using, and that will obviously increase your speaking scores. Another thing is there are image-based questions also in CELPIP speaking. So you can use phrases or structures like in the background, in the foreground, next to it, beside. These are typical words which can help you make logical structures in sentence formation. We at A1 Australia Education Group provide coaching for CELPIP, which is online, which means you can take it from anywhere in the world. It includes one-to-one speaking classes as well, and we also provide structures and templates for writing tasks, both task 1 and task 2. And to help you practice, because there is very limited material, we are official partners with CELPIP in Australia. So we have access to a great, accurate database of questions with which we are helping you to prepare to the best of your ability. We provide scored mock tests on our platform MockMaster.ai, and that is given for free to all students who study CELPIP with us. So you can be assured that you will be studying official material of CELPIP if you study CELPIP with A1 Australia Education Group. Not only that, we also provide you help with booking the actual CELPIP test in Australia at a slightly discounted price. If you wish to attend a demo class with us, make sure you contact us today. When you will attend the demo class, you will be going through a proper structured demo class in which you will be understanding which tasks are there in CELPIP, how to tackle these tasks. In a brief way you will be understanding, but when you actually attend the classes, you'll also get access to one-to-one speaking sessions with our very experienced tutors who can actually motivate you and train you in the right way. And remember, these are actual CELPIP certified tutors who teach with us. So don't wait, you can book a demo class today. Just give us a call or WhatsApp us. Our number is +61 401 616 524. That's our number. We look forward to having you with us in our demo class of CELPIP. I'm Malcolm. Good luck.